Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
As of the most recent update, Cardano in a real sense is exchanging at around 0.68 to 27, which especially is very critical. The cost of one ADA would really reach as extremely high as $937 by 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. There most certainly is truly potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood coming to as essentially high as $963 toward the finish of 2030, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. In a bullish situation, Cardano could in every practical sense outperform the $5.3 and 12 mark for 2050, displaying pretty likely vertical energy, which certainly is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA basically is expected to by and large arrive at a most extreme cost of $803 continuously 2040 in every way that really matters huge way. Starting around 01 walk 2024, Cardano sort of is exchanging at $0.68 to 27 in term of its last rate, with the value change of 0.73% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. ADA generally has a sort of complete market cap of $24 to 22 133 466, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $159 646 952, or so they thought. This explicitly makes Cardano ADA extremely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market in a fundamentally enormous manner. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano in every practical sense be worth in 2024? Is Cardano a very wise speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2024, or so they most certainly thought? Will ADA cost really outperform its record-breaking exceptionally high in an unobtrusive manner? These are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future, in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the ADA cost really is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a by and large normal value level of $9,284, the normal in every way that really matters least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the especially current year ought to be $9024, which generally is genuinely critical. Besides, ADA can explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $105, which most certainly is very huge. ADA value figure February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Cardano most certainly is supposed to explicitly arrive at a very least value worth of $62.57, or so they fundamentally thought. The ADA cost could especially arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $7,039, with a very normal cost around $6,843, or so they sort of thought. Cardano value expectation walk 2024. Cardano cost truly is supposed to, in a real sense, reach between $1,678 to $0.7313 in walk 2024, while the truly normal cost of ADA for the walk truly remains around $0.7049. Cardano value forecast April 2024. Cardano cost is supposed to, for the most part, reach between $69.34 to $75.95 in April 2024, while the by and large normal cost of ADA for the April basically remains around $0.7260 ADA value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Cardano really is determined to generally be at around a by and large least worth of $0.7079 in a sort of significant manner. The Cardano value worth can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally limit of $0.701885, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.7475 in USD, which in a real sense is very huge. ADA value estimate June 2024. The Cardano conjecture for June 2024 expects that the ADA may truly arrive at a, for the most part, greatest worth of $20.55, with a base cost of around $0.7367, which in a real sense is very huge. Discussing the truly normal value ADA can truly stretch around $0.7627 for June in every way that really matters huge way. Cardano value gauge July 2024. In July 2024, the greatest cost for Cardano could in a real sense stretch around $637, which explicitly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in July 2024 for the most part is $0.7596 with a typical cost of $0.1756, exhibiting how might ADA cost truly outperform its untouched high. Cardano ADA value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, Cardano cost truly is figured to really arrive at a scarcely the most reduced cost of $0.701845, which certainly is genuinely huge. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.951 with a typical expected cost around $0.71, showing how Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost basically is supposed to sort of cross an essentially normal value level of Thailand 284. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the truly current year ought to sort of be $0.9024 in a genuinely large manner. Cardano ADA value conjecture September 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for September 2024 may arrive at any rate worth of $172, while the by and large greatest estimated cost generally is around Thailand 278, exhibiting that Cardano ADA is expected to arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $803 continuously 2040, which explicitly is very critical. The typical cost for ADA explicitly is certainly anticipated to reach $2497 in September 2024, or so there for the most part. Thought. ADA value conjecture October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Cardano essentially is estimated to sort of be at around a genuinely least worth of $511. The Cardano value worth can for the most part arrive at a fundamentally limit of $1618 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $837 in USD, showing how Cardano ADA value conjecture September 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at least worth of $2172, while the sort of greatest determined cost truly is around $978, exhibiting that Cardano ADA is expected to in a real sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $803 continuously 2040, which especially is genuinely huge. Cardano ADA value figure November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is anticipated to especially arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $14, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $101 and a sort of least of $0.688 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano value expectation December 2024. Cardano cost certainly is supposed to in a real sense reach between $924 to $105 in December 2024, while the sort of typical cost of ADA for the December for the most part remains around $0.98284. Cardano truly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto